So this is the moment right after I just got offered the biggest job of my life. Now let me show you what happened.
What is up, guys? My name's Hayden Bradley. I'm a content creator from the United States. I specialize in action cameras, action sports, and travel. So here in the next few moments, I have a phone call with Max. Max is the vice president of Insta360. He's been wanting to have this phone call for a while now, so I'm very curious to see what he has to say. I'll see you guys after. Yo, Max, how's it going, dog?
You know, we've been in touch like over the last few weeks, few months, and we really like your content. It stokes us, you know, it's like essentially what we want to represent as a brand, what we like. Invite you to join our team as the creative director for North America. And for the very first project, we're going to send you the Red Bull Hardline in the UK. And yeah, the event's happening in like 2 days, so are you down?
Yeah, let's send it. Wow, creative director of North America. That's got a nice ring to it. But I can't begin to express how excited I am to go on this journey with Insta360 and you guys on this channel and show you what these cameras are capable of doing. When I first started with Insta360 a year ago, I had no clue that I'd be in this position. And when I first started using the X3 camera, I was absolutely blown away. I was getting shots right off the bat that I didn't think were possible with 360 cameras. And then when the Ace Pro came out for a single lens action camera, I was shocked. The stuff I was able to get with free diving or wakeboarding and water skiing, it was insane. And then the X4 came out and made life just even easier for 360 cams. 4K 100, you can pretty much do whatever you want with that thing. We're gonna go to Red Bull Hardline. It's the most intense downhill mountain bike race in the world. So we're gonna really put these cameras to the test there. I'm gonna get to packing. I'll see you guys there. Peace.
And after 18 hours of flying and traveling, I finally landed in the United Kingdom. Next stop, Red Bull Hardline.
Bye. Alright, so Matt Jones just went up. We got the X4 right here with the F-Pole V. I'm gonna stick it about 20 feet up in there. And he's gonna be doing the road gap right here. I'm gonna follow him from the side. He's got the unicorn mount on right now, so hopefully we get two really cool perspectives. We'll see how it goes. Right up! Let's go! Let's go! We just made out to Dyfi bike park out in Wales. Took a little break from Hardline. Out here with the homie Mark Matthews. And we're just gonna get some laps in, hook up some mounts, and kind of just go from there. Let's get it done. Let's get it. You! Alright, we just finished up at the other track. Mark decided to sit back, get some more clips of himself. So me and Greg are headed back to Red Bull Hardline to catch the rest of finals. Let's go! Woo! Woo! We just made it back to Red Bull Hardline finals. It is go time, baby. The crowd is popping.
Okay, good to go.
Cheers. absolutely insane. Thank you, Red Bull, for putting on such a crazy event here at Red Bull Hardline, and Insta360 for inviting me out for the first day on the new job. What a great experience. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. It's only gonna get better from here, so stay tuned. Peace.